found my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure under more scrutiny. And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosbys, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should have changed them. I guess I should have forgot where I came
Wait,
from.
why did it do that, chat? It changed my microphone input for no reason. I swear OBS just likes to fuck with me. Chat, what's good, man? How we doing? What's good, what's good? What's good? Dev, Jed, Badog, what's good? What's good, Ben? Noodle Holtz. What's good, Triz? Yo, chat, what's good, man? Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. What's good? Alright, yeah, I'm not muted anymore. We should be good. What's good, Cryptomaniac, Darius, Level Up. That should be a good day, man. It should be a good day. I'm excited. So, let's lock it in right now. Let's lock it in. So, obviously, let me just do a quick analysis and then we'll jump into the stream. Just because I might have some opportunity in a bit here. I think there's a lot of opportunity. A lot. So, one sec. Right, yeah, so today we have some news. We have PPI later on at 1:30. Now that should bring you some volume later on in the session. Obviously for London session, there's not really any news that affects us. But obviously we might be looking forward to that news later. Now, the weekly time frame is pushing up. Obviously, as it has been the whole week, right? It did come close to getting a bottom wick, but it's absolutely nowhere near it now. The question is, how does the weekly want to close, right? This is what you want to be thinking towards the end of the week. We've got 2 days left. How does the weekly want to close? Does it want to push straight through? Does it want to leave a wick? Does it want to come down and flip? What do you think? That's the real question you have to ask yourself. Now, the daily time frame yesterday, I swear to God, I got the most sniper buys on the whole fucking planet. We got buys like, I don't even know where it was, like somewhere down here. Yeah, regardless, absolutely ripping up yesterday. Closed bullish on the daily. Current daily's got no real bottom wick, and you have pushed up quite heavily here. It's coming back towards a flip, so realistically you might come down for a bottom wick, but the amount of liquidity that we grabbed yesterday here on this previous daily candle, I don't really see a reason why you wouldn't continue up today, to be honest. After grabbing that much liquidity, you should expect to see a continuation, especially because some of the fundamental side is pushing gold too. I'll talk about that a bit later though. Now, the 4-hour chat is a very interesting one because we are sort of massively closing above here, coming back to test back into the level. Your main level is at 29.05 here. If you can retest that, that might be a good area for you to continue up some buys, but I believe that's also, yeah, close to the daily flip. So it's a bit of an interesting game here, chat. It's a very, very interesting one. We need to be a little bit careful on it, but yeah, retesting to 29.05 is not a bad thing. Or obviously on the hourly, we could look at tap back into, yes, it's still 29.05.9, so 29.06 levels. But in terms of ranges, right, let's have a look at what we've got here. So realistically, obviously you've made a level here now at 29.18. As you close above there, that should take you up towards 29.23. And then obviously, if you close above 29.23, only place you can go is up, right? But yeah, chat, with that being said, obviously we've got a range right now to fill down. So like I said, until we get to sort of 29.05-ish, it's a very wide range, but there's not much I can do. So we're going to wait for that to happen. And then if we close below, it should take you down towards 28.97, but if we can reject off of that range and continue back up here, get some bullish structure, we can take some buys to fill the range back up and continue towards the top of the all-time high level. Make sense? Makes sense, chat? Hopefully it does. So that's the analysis. that is the analysis from me. Obviously, like I said, sells below this 29.05 area, or essentially buys off of a reaction here. Buys are back above 29.18 up towards 29.23. And then obviously if you did close below 29.05, you could potentially take the sales down towards 28.97, right? Just joined, repeat everything. Crazy. W analysis, thank you, Zulu. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. But yeah, look, chat, if you just joined, make sure you drop a like. Subscribe if you haven't already, but make sure you drop a like. Let's at least get to 40 likes right now on the stream. Much appreciated. You guys kill it with the likes, and obviously it's completely free. Yeah, but with that being said, chat, how have you guys been doing? How's everyone's week been? It was yesterday was an absolute W for us. Absolute W. We took a break even on the stream, and then in the private group we actually ended up taking 2 wins. So yeah, we ended up actually taking 2 W's there for around, I think, 40 pips combined, or 30 pips. Either way, absolutely clean day. Cannot complain. But what about you guys? What did you catch? Anyone get any nice positions? Any runners? We could have had a big runner, to be fair. But second win of the day, I was like, fuck that. Let me just take profits. Yeah, man. Alright, chat, but look, you got a 15-minute closure here in about a minute. So obviously, let's see how it closes here. The previous 15 did close bullish, but weak bullish. This 30 is obviously coming down bearish, but this 15 could flip maybe. Might not be a bad sort of sign for a reversal. Tapped into a few levels. Yeah, let me see. B for me, wicked me out and ran. Yeah, that's what it is, bro. Yeah, what about you, the rest of you guys, man? What did you catch? Why is this not on? Chat, tomorrow as well, I'm potentially going on a podcast, another podcast. So I think I'll be able to stream London still, but it might not be a New York stream in the private group. We'll see. It depends on when, like, if it's actually confirmed or not. What's good, Max? How's it going, brother? Chat, look, 15-minute closure here. So we did close Doji, which is very interesting. Not a strong bearish close at all. Made a wick for the previous 15 too. You might start to see a reversal here. To be honest, chat, you've tapped into a few levels now. So if the 30-minute did want to close bullish here, you've got a lot of room to the upside. And to be fair, stops are not too big. So if you can close bullish on the next 30-minute, i.e. the hourly, we can take a look at some buys. We can take a look, right? Just be patient though. There's a lot of opportunity today. A lot. Hey, what's good, Mbanyam? What's good, man? I forgot to say hi to you earlier. Yeah, see, pushing back up now. Interesting, chat. 30-minute flipped. A vamp, what's good? Caught the 15-ish pip sell at the 29.05 level. I hear. Yeah, nice, man. Finding some good music. Yeah, Noodle Hotspot, I'm going to get copyrighted for it, but it's fine. About to be hit with a fat copyright. Yeah, we move. Worth it to play, yeah? I guess. Yeah, chat, look, 13 minutes here to the hourly close. Let's see what happens. I missed the old Kanye. That's a screamer as well, but yeah. Bro. The new Kanye is entertaining as fuck, though. Obviously, the stuff he was saying was not correct. But funny as fuck to read. Looking at London market make me sleepy. Yeah, we should be alright. The volume should pick up here in the next sort of, 30 minutes to an hour. So we should be good, actually. Lulu, what's good, man? Yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. You've got 12 minutes. So realistically, Obviously, you do have a range to fill down here, so it might be a little bit difficult to take buys, but at the same time, the 30 can flip and close bullish. There's a high likelihood that you will continue back up. Obviously, as well, we've got the 4-hour close in an hour. Huge marketing tactic, apparently. Well, yeah, most likely. Most likely, I don't know. I think, well, I mean, Kanye's always been a really intelligent marketer, so yeah, it wouldn't surprise me at all. It's all these type of guerrilla marketing campaigns that always like go crazy. They always work so well. Yeah, chat, cool. Or just tag me in something, wait. There you go. Alright, nice. Chat, yeah, so we're pushing back up here. 5-minute closing soon. Structure does look like it's about to shift, to be honest. I would expect us to push back through here. But to be fair, this still could be a 15-minute top wick, right? So you do need to be a little bit careful. This is one of those situations where you have conflicting time frames, which means essentially you've got, you know, the 1 hour looks pretty bearish, 30-minute looks bullish, 15's indecisive. So yeah, you just need to be a little bit careful with this one. Wait for your clear confirmations, which is what we'll do, right? We'll wait for, you know, a certain confirmation. And then once we have that, we can obviously look to take some positions. But right now, if the 30 closed like this, that wouldn't be too bad for me. I'd be a little bit more confident taking that than, yeah, than not. If it didn't close like this, essentially. Loving the music in the background? I appreciate it, bro. I think, chat, to be honest, when I move to Greece, I'm going to be playing like music out loud in the background. I don't know if you guys know TJR, but a bit like he does. I think that might help me avoid some copyright strikes. We'll see what happens with that, right? It's gonna be a vibe either way. How do we stop a clear confirmation? Now we need a clear confirmation. So a confirmation just basically means confirming your trade or confirming your bias on the direction. So, you know, if you're looking to take buys and the candle closes bullish above the range, or, you know, bullish with a wick or something like that, that's just an extra confirmation. Why are you moving to Greece? Because it's nice. It's the weather's good, the tax is good, the culture's good, and that's about it, to be fair. I mean, there's a lot of reasons, but yeah. I think gold already sweeping London low, so it's going to push up and take liquidity after that going down. I think so. Isn't London low a little bit lower? I guess not. Yeah, I mean, look, potentially, we'll see. We'll see, but I do think we're grabbing liquidity right now. Level at 29.16 if you look at the 30. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. I'd probably look at, yeah, 29.16.3, yeah. That could definitely be one on the 30. We'll see how it reacts, obviously, if we get up towards there. But for right now, we have 8 minutes to this closure. It's also the hourly closure. You can't get too blinded by your bias, right? This is where a lot of people get blinded. You can't do that. So what I mean by getting blinded by your bias is essentially, if you're looking on the 30-minute and it looks good for a rejection, a load of people will forget to look at different time frames. But then, obviously, now if we go to the 1 hour, the 1 hour just looks like a bearish closure, right? So it could continue down all the way towards the bottom of the range, but people will just see the rejection on the 15 and the 30, and they'll be like, oh, cool. You know, buys, buys, buys. But you cannot be ignorant to the other time frames. It's very important, especially the higher time frames, right? The 1 hour is always going to take precedence over the 30-minute. 30 minutes going to take precedence over the 15, etc., etc., etc. A little tip there. It's actually a very important tip. Multiple confirmations? Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, I think yesterday was pretty clean for price action though, to be honest. We got a really nice entry. Where was that? Where was this entry we had? Was it? Yeah, it was here. So I took a buy right here, chat, for this. It was literally, this was the buy that I took. Absolutely ran as well, but we closed out at the top of this level, literally at the top, for 16 pips, and then it came down, would have tapped us out break even, and then ran completely through. Literally would still be running now, right? You could literally just have, you could have the whole way. It could have ran for like, what? A 20 risk to reward ratio. Obviously, we didn't get that. We got a 1-to-1 though, which is nice. Was this a 3 p.m. trade? Yeah, it was. Exactly 3 p.m. Came down bottom wick first. It was actually really nice. That's a trend play right there. If you guys don't know what it is, that's basically a trend play. The 1 hour came down, opened up bottom wick first, no top wick after closing bullish. 5 minute close, no bottom wick, and then, yeah, got a nice little buy. Very clean. Alright, 15-minute reflipped here, chat. You're most likely going to continue towards the bottom of the range. I was up nicely yesterday, and instead of just leaving the charts, I jumped into that CPI reversal and got fucked, lost my head. Bro, it's what it is, man. A lot of people came to me yesterday saying they did the same thing. Yeah, a lot of people said that they broke their plan yesterday. Chat, it is what it is, man. Listen, when you break your plan, the only thing you can do is walk away, right? Go get some fresh air, touch grass, and realistically, just go and evaluate. Like, you know that's not you. It's like the Snickers adverts, right? You're not you when you're hungry. Same type of shit, right? It's literally, you know it's not you. It's just a bad thing inside your mind, taking trades that you shouldn't. Go step away. Don't beat yourself up about it. Don't be too, upset. What's done is done. Move on and adjust. Figure out what you did wrong. The first step is obviously always admitting it. And once you admit what you've done wrong, figure out why you did it, make adjustments, and you'll be fine, right? You're not gonna die from breaking your plan. You're all good. An amazing week so far, and I broke all my rules yesterday. Was so mad at myself. My mind took over. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. Done now, though. You know what I mean? The past is the past. What's good, Nathaniel? How's it going, brother? Yeah, 4 minutes here to the hourly close. Self-accountability, gang. Also, journal everything. Yeah, that's huge. Journal all trades. Journal, journal your thoughts as well in a psychology journal. That's really important. Alright, chat, we got roughly 3 minutes here. I do want to see how we close here on this 30-minute. Seems as if we're struggling to push further down, which is always a good sign, right? Good about yourself? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna open my broker real quick. I've been doing $100 a day per account, and I've been profitable all of February so far. Insane, bro. 10 accounts. Bro's been doing $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day is nice. Something light, right? Nah, congrats, bro. That's huge. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Slow and steady, right? Slow and steady wins the race. I realized for me, when stops are above 35, my psychology would be worse. So if stops are higher than 34, for me, it's a no-go. Learn this from Kat. Yeah, fair enough. Look, 35 is pretty tight, but If that's what works for you, that's what works for you. I mean, I have a rule. You learned that from Kata, but Kata learned that from me, right? But no, I'm joking. I have a rule where it's 45 pips, right? I can't take a trade above 45 pips. So, you know, just work out what your risk is for your biggest stop loss and then take it from there. I realized $100 isn't hard when you're copy trading. It flips quick, of course. I was aiming for huge winning days and kept blowing my accounts. Yeah, it's not the move, right? It's all about slow and steady. The goal is, chat, I've said this from the day one. The goal is, when you're trying to trade, you know, and scale up your capital, the end goal is small percentage wins on large capital, right? And people think that they have to, you know, risk a crazy amount to get to that large capital, and then they're going to drop their risk and they'll be fine. But realistically, you have to start as you mean to go on. So even if you have small capital, you need to keep your risk relatively small. And the scaling will take place, right? 1% a day, 2% a day is massive. The scaling and the compound effect will take place and take over. And by then, you know, before you know it, your account's going to be way bigger than you started. You're going to be making a lot of money. I was talking to Yannick about this. He's been doing really well recently. Started off with a super small account. And now it's getting to the point where his wins are like a large number. And yeah, it all came from scaling. Just like slowly compounding. I'm actually incredibly excited to grind this year, especially alongside everyone else in TRLS. Let's go, Max. Good shit. Good shit, bro. Max, I only risk 1% a trade. Yeah, it depends if you're unfunded or on personal, right? But like, yeah, it depends. 1% of the trade is great risk. Will you try to challenge yourself from $30 to $1,000 and making a recap video about it? Nah. Because I don't think it's healthy to do that. I'll do 20k to 40k over a period of months, right? Just 100% flip. But that's the same as going from $30 to $60, right? I'm not going to leverage like crazy. You don't want to give yourself that mindset. Anyway, chat, look, the hourly closed here. 30-minute close bearish, hourly close bearish. Realistically, you should have some room down, to be honest. I don't like how we're consolidating, though. I don't like the 30 closure there. 15 closure is not ideal. Is it a bad mindset thinking if I don't make 1% a day, it's a bad day? Yeah, it is. But I think about this. Let's just let's go average hedge fund return. Right? If you think 1% a day as a trader is bad, let's go average hedge fund return. 10% a year. Right? 10% a year. What's that? That's less than 1% a month. Obviously, they're working with a lot larger numbers, obviously billions, and they have different execution models and stuff. But, you know, people come to me and say, oh, I only make 1% a day or 2% a day or whatever. As a retail trader, we can make higher returns because we have smaller capital to work with. We don't get slipped, etc. So being grateful for 1% even a week is fucking crazy. You know, 4% a month is ridiculous. If you can do that consistently, think about it, 1% a year, 1% a day, sorry, is like something like 500% in the year. So be grateful for what you can get because that's a ridiculous increase. What is it? 1% a year is like how much? Is it more than 5% a year? 1% per day for a year. I think it's like 500%, isn't it? Or is it 370? 30, okay, 380%. No, wait. Am I tripping? No, it's more than that. It's It's 37x, so it's 3,700%. Yeah, chat, the compound's fucking crazy. Insane. 252%. Now, that's without compounding, though, because there's 252 trading days, right? But, I mean, obviously, if you're on a funded, then yeah, it resets. But if you're on a live account, and you do 1% a day and compound and don't withdraw, you literally get like 37 times your money throughout the year. Because obviously the 1%'s quickly become a lot bigger, right? It's just a compounding effect. What do you think about my statement? For a newbie, I'm suggesting to get a funded account because many people using low capital to trade and then blow their account. After you get a payout, you can switch to become a retail trader. But you're still going to be a retail trader, but yeah, like a funded account's not a bad idea, especially if you've got really small capital, like 50 bucks. Then yeah, get like a small funded account. It's a lot easier to trade with like a 5k funded than it is $50. So that's what I would say. If you do want to get that funded account, save yourself some money. Use code SG at ACG. You get 20% off. But yeah, I think realistically the best move is to do that. But take it slow, right? You don't want to focus on the money at the beginning. Focus on the skill, and the rest will come. Yeah, the money comes, right, with time. Martin, do it now. You ready? What is this? What are you guys scheming? Have an income source to fund your trading so you're not pressured to make trades and ruin your psychology. Yeah, no, you're completely right. It's just you spelled source like ketchup. But yeah, that's 100% right. Now we're good. GJ melting. GJ melting. I did a spreadsheet. I'm going to be fully transparent. In the last 2 years, I spent 16k on fundeds, but I've made it back already. Overall, I'm in profit of 10k. Bro, it's insane. That's a big W. Yeah, it's all about risk to reward, right? Like, even with stuff like that, it's all about investment. You can literally think of it as an investment. Like, depositing into a live account or buying a funded account is essentially just an investment into your future. Think of trading as a business. Say to yourself, okay, you know, if I wanted to start a business in any field outside of trading, you're going to need startup capital. You know, you're going to need seed money. Trading's no different, right? You're not going to make millions out of 20 bucks. You need investment capital, so you need to have another income source outside of trading, save up, and then once you've learned the skill, you need to go in with your capital and think of it as a business investment. You know, trading is still a business, so whatever you put in, think about how much you're going to get back out of it. And yeah, don't be afraid to invest your capital, you know, wisely. It's a very important skill. A lot of people are, you know, they don't back themselves. They don't want to buy funded accounts. They don't want to deposit into a live account because they don't back themselves that much. So yeah, just understand that also you have to pay a little bit of a fee to learn to trade, and that's going to be blowing accounts, right? It's going to happen. Everyone blows accounts, but think of it as your learning, you know, learning process, almost like your tuition fee to the markets, and then you'll spend years failing, and then the 1 year that you crack it, in the very first month, you're going to make back everything that you lost in those other years, I promise. Literally how trading works, right? Like that first month that you become profitable, or the first quarter that you become profitable or whatever, you make back everything that you've lost. It happens every time, man. Every trader will tell you the same. Like, chat, I think I've withdrawn close to 10k this month already. There's no way I lost 10k learning to trade, right? So you know what I mean? Like, it just repays itself very, very fast. At the end of this month with my withdrawal, I'm opening a live account with 10k. Yeah, nice, Gene. You're gonna love it, bro. The compound is sick. If you compound it correctly, that's gonna be 100k. 100k very soon. You know, risk like 5% a trade. Compound it every day. Pop a 2 lot. Yeah, pop a 2 lot on that. If I bought a 5k account and then get a payout, should I buy another 10k account and then the payout switch to retail, compounding the capital? Yeah, you can do that. You can scale up. So you can buy a 5k, get a payout, buy a 10k, get a payout, buy a 50k, get a payout, buy a 100k, get a payout. And then by the time that you still keep those accounts. SG risk 5% per trade on live. Depends, to be honest, how big the stops are, but between like 4 and 6%. So I guess, yeah, 5% on average, I guess. On some accounts, right, I have another account that's way less risk. You know, I have one that's like my bigger account, which is like, you know, 1 or 2%. But for example, that 20k account that I showed you guys on stream a while back, it wasn't a while back, it was like last month, but yeah, I risk like 5% on that. What's good, Matt? How's it going, brother? Vidal, did you already think about what car you should buy? Yeah, I found some sick ones, to be fair. I want to buy, there's a really nice E-Class out in Greece. I'll show you guys. Yeah, this E-Class has the sickest cream interior. Look at this shit. Okay. I don't know if you guys can properly see it, but this one looks so sick. Yeah, it's so bougie with the cream interior. Where are you from? I'm from the UK. I know that car. The car can open the door itself. Nah, it's not a Maybach. It's not a Maybach. It's just the E-Class, but it's just got cream interior. It looks a bit like a Maybach though, from the interior. Where are you from? I don't know if did I just answer that a second ago? UK. UK. I think I did. Oh, good that. Would a 0.25 lot size be good for a 10k funded account? Depends what your stop loss size is. If your stops are yeah. How much is that car? It's about 40k euros. Let's work this out. It depends what you want to risk, right? 10k funded. Let's say you want to risk 2%. That's 200 bucks. If your stop's at 40 pips, you can do a 0.5 lot. If your stop's at 50 pips, you can do a 0.4 lot. That's risking 2%. So yeah, you could, yeah, with a 40 pip stop loss is 1% at a 0.25 lot. So yeah, you could do that. Somewhere between a 0.5 and a 0.25, you'll be fine. You got my support from Indonesia. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. I need to go to Indonesia, bro. I want to go to Bali so bad. Maybe this summer or next summer. Alright, chat, look, 15-minute closing here, about 3 minutes time. Looks as if we do want to push back up. I would like to see the hourly close like this, to be fair. If the hourly could close like that, that'd be ideal. But I think by the time the hourly closes, it's going to be too late, to be honest. I live in Bali. Nice, bro. Maybe I'll pull up. We'll see. What size leverage do you use? I use 500 to 1, but I don't think I need that much. Like, it just depends. You shouldn't really need that much leverage. But yeah, 500 to 1 is what my account's on. So, yeah. Not how high leverage Forex is. People don't realize, but it's fucking ridiculously high. Alright, chat, we're pushing up here. Feeling on the beach sounds good after 1 and 2 trades. That's something I can't wait for, man. I actually can't wait for. Like, when I'm in Cyprus, obviously, like 5 minutes from the beach, take a fat trade, go to like a beach club or something, go get some food, chill out. Yeah. SG, how did you get around getting that high of a leverage? I'm restricted to 20 to 30. I'm not changing anytime soon, just curious. I think it depends on what broker you're on. And also, I think because I was in there before they changed the rules in Europe, I think I'm like sort of grandfathered in. I don't know. If you go with an offshore broker, you can always get you can always get one. Yeah, I just messaged someone about a car to see in Cyprus, and this guy just said, I'm in Cyprus.
A journey which along the way will bring to you new color, new dimension, new values.
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye, chop up the soul Kanye, set on his gold.
Like, what? I was like, can I come see it? He's like, I'm in Cyprus. Like, yeah, I know. I think gold will hit 36 today. You think new all-time highs? Not all-time highs, nearly. Yeah, maybe. It could realistically tap into 33 at least. Alright, chat. 15 closing here. See how we close here. You actually closed bullish. Lock it in here, man. Focus up for a second. I don't know if I don't like this though. Yeah, that's tough. 15's good, right? The 15's bullish and it's above the previous level, but that 5 minute is not nice. Your level at 09, bro? Yeah. I do think that there's like a reaction area here, but yeah, somewhere at 09 as well. That is 09, I guess. Like off this area here, I think we've reacted off of there. Yeah, if this 5 minute I wouldn't have done that, we would probably be in buys right now, but I can't take that off just a 15. It looks pretty clean though. It might rip straight through. What's raised effects like for leverage? You can get 500 to 1. Yeah, you can get 500 to 1. Chat, if you do want to sign up to the broker, you get a 50% deposit bonus as well. The link is about to be sent in the chat. Yeah, cool. Ripping up, chat. There it goes. Yeah, look, chat, I couldn't have taken that, to be honest. In the signals group, you send an alert such as a trade might be coming or just when it's executed. It depends. Sometimes, yeah, like if I have an opportunity, I'll always send an update saying like, yeah, like I'm looking for something here. But obviously sometimes I just get to the charts and it's like already set up or it's too quick or something. But yeah, whenever I can, I will do. There's that move that we were looking for. That's unfortunate, to be honest. That is unfortunate. Yeah, nothing we can do, chat. Like that entry right there wasn't really in my plan. Wasn't really a perfect entry, especially with the 5 minute doing exactly what it just did. You know, the 5 minute rejected and closed bearish. I can't take buys off of that. Even though the 15 closed bullish. Just a bit difficult for me. Have to look at every time frame, chat. It's very important. Chat, but I do think we're cooking up here. It looks like gold's, you know, in the process of forming a setup. So we have roughly, what, 12 minutes here to the 30-minute close. Buys above 29.16. Yeah, but I'd rather wait until I'd rather take the buyers up towards there. I do see this level at 29.16.4. I see it. But I think I'd rather take the buyers to get up towards there first. But look how the 15's reacting right now. Looks like we want to flip back down. There's a very high chance that you just continue, you know, downwards. Okay, fuck it, incels. Saying fuck it, you're incels is seems seems not ideal. If you're ever saying to yourself fuck it before you get into a position, I'd probably just stay out. We're going lower. We'll see, man. We'll see, chat. Especially the 15 closed bullish. I think the 30 might close bullish as well. It comes down to just some closures here, to be honest. Very important to see how we close here. Remember, there's a little level here as well to the left at 29.14. You need to be careful of that too. But look, stay focused, stay locked in. Should have some decent opportunity here, to be honest. Yeah. All right, chat. Cool. So 5-minute closing. Listen, by the way, drop a like if you haven't already. There's 75 of you in here right now. Let's get to 50 likes on today's stream. If we get to 50 likes, I'll give away a week of signals. All right. That sounds like a fair deal. Actually, a more than fair deal. I got hit by a snowball recently. That's crazy. That's insane. Alright, chat. How'd you get hit by a snowball, Mr. Noodle Hearts? Yeah, chat, so realistically, look at the structure we're making. I just want to zoom out here. Like, if you guys think, okay, look, we're bearish right now, just zoom out a little bit and look at the structure. Look at what we're doing in terms of the overall market structure. We're just pushing up consistently, right? If you get your little tool out, little structure tool, you have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. You had a little bit of a retracement, but in reality, you didn't really break much structure. Now you're back above, and then even still now, you're doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now you expect to see another higher high being made, right? Come on through it, I reckon SG, can't be sure though. Can't be too sure? Yeah, you can't be too sure. Chat, you get the point, right? Structure's very bullish. Not trend lines. What's good, brother? How you doing? Any trades today? No trades so far. We're just looking here, chat. We're just looking right now. There's a lot of potential here in the next sort of 8 minutes, though. Stay focused. Guys, if you have any questions that you want to know about trading, about the strategy, anything like that, we've got a little bit of time, right? I'll open the floor up to some questions. You guys can ask whatever the fuck you want. You need to be aware of every single level too. So one of the little tips that I have, this is one of my main trading tips as well, just to make yourself aware with all of the potential rejection areas. Get the little like line tool out and just mark up all the highs and all the lows, right? So just find where all these little levels are, all these little rejection areas, even drop to like the 15 or whatever, and you can see They're absolutely everywhere, right? And you'll notice that structures followed on all of these sort of levels. You'll see how like we have a rejection off of this level here, just the wick rejection off 2910. Same thing here, right? You have a rejection right now that you're doing sort of up to 2913. Then you have a previous level here from the back at 2916, and that's where we rejected up here. So just look at all these little levels, and you're going to notice that when we're making higher highs and higher lows as well, you'll notice that they're respected in the future. Even if it's a really minor level, they're still respected very heavily. Something that I do to sort of, try and figure out where price is going. How do I do this? Markets calmed down a lot since January, I think, unless my psychology has just improved. It might be your psychology. How many windows are in your new apartment? Lots? I don't know. It's full of glass. Fuckloads. 10? Yeah, maybe 10. 10, 11, 12. Now, there's more like glass doors and shit than windows. Like, all my rooms have like the big glass doors that go out onto one of the individual balconies, right? I have like 2 terraces and a balcony. No, sorry, 1 terrace and a balcony. Fucking sick. On which floor? I'm on the top level, so it's like penthouse level, basically. It's not a penthouse, but... I mean, is it? I mean, technically it could be. It's like half the building. I don't know. What are you training today, SG? Have you found a gym in Cyprus? Yeah. Yeah, I found a gym in Cyprus. It's fucking gorgeous. I think I put it on my Instagram the other day. Today, though, I'm going to train back. I had chest yesterday. I literally got a fucking, like, one of those journals, one of those workout journals where you write down, talking about, like, journaling actually improves everything. You know, I've always said to you guys about journaling your trades, but since I've started journaling my workouts as well in the gym, my strength has gone up like crazy. I feel a lot better and a lot more direction in the gym. So, like, journaling isn't just trading specific, you know, I journal my workouts now. I journal, like, in terms of just my thoughts and obviously my trades, and it does change a lot of things. Just getting it down on paper is, yeah, insane. Been in Corfu this summer, it was lovely, but goddamn these roads. Car rental was going crazy about the insurance. It's not as bad in Cyprus, bro. I've been to Corfu too. I've been to pretty much every, not every, I've been to shitloads of Greek islands. But yeah, the roads in Cyprus are better than the roads in England. Like, yeah. So, like, when I had my Mercedes, obviously, like, the AMG, I was going to take it out to Cyprus, and everyone was saying to me, like, nah, you can't, the roads are too bad. But then when I got there, we obviously rented a car, and the roads are better than fucking UK roads. Crazy. Pothole galore over here? Mate, it's pothole galore. It's fucking crazy. Wait, let me find, I want to show you guys the gym. You must be crazy, right? Yeah. Wait. So this is the gym. Wait. So, like, this is the gym. You can see the view. It's fucking crazy. It's like it's such a nice gym, bro. All black. And this is the view from, like, the cable machines and shit. The gym is crazy. Such a beautiful gym. And this is the restaurant right next to the gym as well. Like, it's in the same hotel, so yeah, the restaurant there is sick. This is the pool with the gym, bro. This is the pool from where my gym is. Like, don't chat to me about that. Yeah, man. Undefeated. Rolls Royce in the car park. Oh, yeah, someone asked about the view from my apartment. This is the view from my apartment right here. This is the view from my apartment. It's fucking sick. Super hyped for it, bro. There's actually more to the right that I didn't include, but yeah, so it's like the city. It looks far away. It's actually 5 minutes to the city center just here. But I wanted to live in the mountains rather than in the city center. Too cloudy for me? I know, bro. Yeah, Matt, it's a little bit too cloudy. This big cloud here is really getting in the way. You rented? Yeah, I'm renting for the first year. I have to rent for the first year. They're a bit sticky with property. But I'm gonna look to buy a place next year, especially if I like it as well. Like, it's a good decision just to rent it, because if it turns out that for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason that I don't like it, then obviously I can always just move. I don't have a property or anything. Perfect view to wake up, drink a coffee while sorting your thoughts out. Yeah, 100%. 100%. How much is the rent there? So the area that I'm staying in is a little bit more expensive than usual. You could probably get a decent place for like, I don't know, a K a month, 1.5 or something. I'm paying about 2,000 euros a month. It's not bad. If you were to take the trade now, what would be a stop loss? That is a good point, chat. Lock it in here because we are closing bullish here on the 30-minute by the looks of it. You close bullish here and you can get a bottom wick first. We can take some buys to continue up towards this 26.16 level and towards the top of the next range. Quite a lot anyways. 2k, yeah, it's not cheap. It's not cheap, but for what I'm getting, it's actually quite cheap, if that makes sense. It's good value for money, essentially. And obviously, mirror to the left, yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is a bit of an interesting one, to be fair, but sales, I'm not looking at sales right now, to be fair. I do see this mirror. What's good, Jar? How's it going, brother? Wait, chat, 30 close here. I think we should come up and tap 16 at least, to be honest. No. That's tough, chat. I needed a bigger bottom wick, obviously, if I wanted these buys. To be honest, if we got a decent bottom wick and then flipped, I would have been okay to take the buys. But now that we didn't, a bit chalked, especially because you kind of close respect in this little area to the left here. So for me, yeah, there's no buys right now. I'm going to wait till like the next 15 close, probably. Or at least we'll watch the next 5 minutes, see what it does. Do you think we come and at least tap into like 29.16-ish? 16.2, somewhere around there. But yeah, like I said, with the way that we just did that, yeah, I can't take anything. What about your family? They're staying in the UK? They are, yeah. They are indeed. Yeah, pushing down, chat. It looks to me that we might make this mirror. It looks to me that we might make a mirror here, come down and tap into the bottom of the level. The daily time frame, I don't know if it'll flip, to be honest. I think we might come down and grab more liquidity, but with the amount of liquidity grabbed yesterday, I don't see why the daily time frame wouldn't push through. Why would it not push through? Is your bird just going to be chilling over there whilst you make P? I think so, bro, to be honest. Nah, she does some work for me. She's gonna be doing a lot of stuff, to be fair, but yeah, I mean, look, she's definitely gonna be chilling with me, I think. Rather than like, I don't want to get, I don't know, a bit of a techie conversation. I'm gonna get flamed by a feminist if I say what I want to say. No, I'm joking. Let's see, chat. You made a bottom wick. Least officer asked question. Nah. We hear you, mate. Maybe. Happy wife, happy life. It's very true. It's very, very true. I can't lie. What's good there, Blizzy? How's it going, man? Chat, so we're pushing up here. You do have a 4-hour closing in about 27 minutes. I do think there's some opportunity for us to catch some trades here, to be honest. Especially seeing how the 4-hour closes. If we close bearish, you probably have a wick fill at least. Obviously, that would be the mirror of this move. But I think there's a lot of potential, chat. Otherwise, we can wait till we tap into the bottom of the range and take some buys back up. It has been nice PA recently. Yeah, I agree. How about you? Yeah, Blizzy, I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm absolutely chilling. To be honest, chat, it doesn't seem real that I'm moving. Like, it doesn't really seem real just yet. It's literally, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, basically. But yeah, I have another podcast tomorrow. So I'm gonna be on that. Should be great for you guys as well. A few more gems. So many people came up to me at my gym and said, I listened to your podcast. It was sick. Which I was pretty proud about. So hopefully we can replicate that again and have another good session. And yeah. Will you miss the FBI pigeons? I will do. I feel like they keep me company. Up here alone. Moving to UAE in summer, can't wait. Hey, congrats, bro. I bet you can't wait. What's the plan with streams? A few days off? Nah, I don't think so. I'll take maybe a day off. I think maybe 2 days. Yeah, probably 2 days, right? Or maybe 1. I don't know, we'll see. The FBI pigeons to follow me? Yeah, maybe. So, like, obviously Monday, I'll probably stream London. Tuesday, I'm going to be flying and moving and everything. Wednesday, I don't know if I'll be set up yet. Depends on how quickly my Wi-Fi gets set up. If my Wi-Fi gets set up quick as fuck, then... yeah. Fuck it. Yeah, pushing up here, though. 5-minute close. What did it do? No bottom wick? Yeah, no bottom wick. It loves it. Pushing straight through, chat. That's exactly what we were looking for, right? It just didn't form the way we wanted it to. That's exactly what we were looking for. The wick fill gave you like 10 pips. Not bad. Not bad, chat. Not bad. Should tap into 16.2 now at least. So let's see. But yeah, chat, look, this year's going to be crazy. We're only 2 months in. Actually, it's already 2 months in. Like, that feels a bit crazy, but we've already been smashing it. Like, in the Discord as well, in the private group, and in the free Discord. But a lot of people leveling up like crazy. I see so many people just fucking doing sick. You know, their trading's improving like crazy. Yeah. Fucking exciting to see. I think there's going to be a lot of people turn profitable this year, especially if you stick around every day and lock in. Like, there's no way you can't. Yeah, super excited. It's going to be a sick year. I'm going to be pumping out a fuckload of content as well. Once I get to Cyprus, I'm going to set up like a nice little studio in there and just pump out some crazy content. You guys have got a lot to be excited for, man. Just stick around, stay locked in. I think this is probably the best community in trading in terms of like the way, the attitudes, the helpfulness, etc. It's gonna be sick. I'm super excited for it. But look, 22 minutes here. We're starting to form ranges as well, which is not really what I want. Like, you've got structure within here. Realistically, you need to come to one side of the range or the other. I say this all the time, but you don't really want to be taking a trade in the middle of the range. You know, if you're taking a trade within the middle of this range here, between these 2 points, either way, you know, you've got stops which are ginormous to both sides. And it can go either way right now, chat. Like, it's not really made its decision yet on whether it wants to push through or continue back down. So, it could, you know, realistically, this could just be another high that we're making to continue back down and mirror this price action to the left. Or, this could be, you know, a higher low being made for us to continue all the way back up. But it hasn't made the choice yet. So, when you're in the middle of the range like this, consolidating, we can't do anything. True, best community by far, a really good group we've got here. Yeah, indeed, man. It really is. Can the 4 hour flip in the next 20 minutes? I have a level at 2909.62. Took the onion. The onion. The 15 onion. Guy dweller. I watched Raja's stream yesterday just for entertainment. His stream is dead. In what way? Pretty soulless, right? Like, I doubt they've got a pretty... I doubt they've got, like, a tight-knit community at all. The interaction? Oh, really? Okay, fair. Multiple strategies with the same goal. We can all learn from each other, regardless of style. TRLS. W. Yeah, W. Big W's. Most people trade the same strategy, right? But a lot of people don't, and that's completely fine, right? Yeah, it's completely fine. Like, it's I don't know. It's a great place to come and learn, whether you're trying to learn psychology, discipline, strategy. No matter what it is, it's just it's an excellent place to learn. Very close to a payout, SG. Bedge. W, my bro. W. Is that on futures or? Lock it in, man. Lock it in. Stay disciplined though. Don't do anything silly. I think it's very easy to do when you get close to a payout, right? It's easy to be like, let me just take this. I don't know what you mean by onion, bro. We look at sky dwellers around here. I guess not technically a sky dweller. I anticipated it. Okay. Yeah, fair. I'm taking my time. Good shit, Bedge. Good shit, man. Chat, 4 hour closes in 19 minutes as well. It looks like it might come up towards a flip as well, which is crazy, to be honest. But like I said, I'm very bullish on the day. I don't think we're going to see much of a continuation back down. I think we'll probably... There's a potential we tap into 06. But otherwise, we potentially just rip straight through. Again, it's going to be important how the hourly closes as well. It's going to be very important. Chat, listen, drop a like as well. Like I said, if we get to 50 likes, I'll give away a week of signals for free to someone. Otherwise... Just drop a like anyway, man. It's completely free. After completing the 10% profit target on ACG, do I get given another account for the next challenge? Is the next one 5% as well? I can't remember. Yeah, you get new details, and yeah, it's 5%. 5% tints. I don't like when gold slowly trickles up like this as well, chat. I don't think it's optimum trading conditions here. Like, you see how we just steadily push like that? You know, realistically, it's a bit of a barcode push as well. Like, you have essentially a push, you barcode, you push for a little bit, you're going to barcode again. It's just not really optimum, to be honest. Volume dying at the 4 hour again? Yeah. You start to see the volume die off like 30 minutes before the 4 hour close. realistically, chat, you've got like, this is the way I see it for London session, or for like, yeah, I guess it's London session. You have like, for me, oh shit, wait, I clicked the wrong button. For me, to be honest, I think London session volume times is as follows, right? Like 6 o'clock till around 8 o'clock, you get pre-London, which is high volume. And there's a lot of good setups. Then from like 8 o'clock to, I would say, 9 o'clock, it's relatively low volume, like consolidating. And then you have like 9 o'clock to 9:30. People come into the banks, open some positions. You have like relatively high volume, decent moves. 9:30 to 10, you see essentially drop off in volume, and then around 10:30 until New York pretty much. So like until like 1 o'clock, you're gonna see steady volume but good setups. So realistically, if we're talking about times to trade within these places, you want to be either trading pre-London or like between 9:30 or between like 10:30 and 1. Those are the times. So realistically, I'd be looking at probably deleting this and this, to be honest, and then I'd trade these. That's GMT. Yeah, GMT, my bad. I should have specified the time zone, but yeah, GMT. Trade at 13.29 is always a good idea. Classic. Think a buy is a good idea. Not a bad idea, bro. The 1 hour looks okay. Probably have to wait to the 15 minutes closing here in about, what, 30 seconds? I would probably be waiting now to the 4 hour close. Well, I don't know why I say would be. I'm waiting to the 4 hour close. Chat, one of the main things as well why I moved to Cyprus and not somewhere else, like I was thinking about moving to Asia, the famous country that is Asia, but no, somewhere in Asia I was thinking of moving off, but the time zone is terrible for trading. Then I was thinking about like Australia, again, terrible time zone. Dubai, time zone's okay for trading. Cyprus and like that European time zone for trading is fucking incredible. You can wake up at like 8 o'clock, and in London it's 6 a.m, so you get pre-London. Then you can trade throughout London, you get to chill for a bit, have lunch, and then in the afternoon, like around what, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock-ish, you have New York, so you can trade New York in the afternoon. Yeah, so nice. It's literally perfect. Perfect time zone for trading. It's like that European/Greek time zone is great. Crazy question. If you break up with your girl, she's taking the flight back to UK quick. Bro, that's crazy. That is a crazy question. I don't think we plan on that happening. She's also not from the UK, so she wouldn't be flying back to the UK. +1 hour. I got +2 hours, Jar. +2 hours. That's the real cheat code right there. So I'm going to be 2 hours ahead. Yeah, it's going to be sick. Stream's going to be starting loads earlier. Potentially like an hour earlier, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a W, bro. I'm super happy about it. Trading in the future, yeah. I'm already gonna know what the 4 hours done before it's closed. All's out. What's your offer? There's no way it's for free. You wouldn't be such a shrewd businessman. You must have a proposal. Oh shit, chat, the video is about to end. The playlist, wait. Let me change it. Switch it up. Alright, nice. SG, how's your eating changed since getting back on it in terms of gym? Nah, I tell you what, my eating's a bit shit at the minute since my girl went home. when she's back, like eating's really good. Since I've locked in, to be fair, I've just been cleaning it up. So like no snacks, no like processed food really. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like a lot of protein, a lot of healthy food, a lot more food as well. Like I really need to focus on eating a lot more food. That's something I struggle with. Is I really can't, like, I don't know, I can't, working and shit, I can't eat, so I don't end up not eating enough throughout the day, which means I'm not putting on the weight that I should, but it's fine. It's not really that much of a problem. It's actually quite a good problem to have, to be fair. Yeah, what did I tell you about a volume spike? What did I tell you about a volume spike? Fuck me, chat. We just filled the range now. The 4 hours coming up towards a flip. If that support we made on the 5, that's crazy. Again, no setup though, chat. Just came back, thought you would have taken buys. Yeah, it didn't form, bro. I didn't get anything. Like, I was looking at the buys off here, but it came up top wick first, so unfortunately I couldn't take it. 786 fib? Yeah, fair. Let's actually do that. Let's test this shit out. I don't actually know how to use a fib. Is it like this? Or do you do it like this? Ah, is it like that? Or are you doing it? Where do you do it from? Like that? I'll help you, of course, bro. I've never used a fib, so you can help me out. Bro, you said that as if I'm like an old woman or some shit. I know you draw it from one end of the push to the other, but I don't know where you draw it from. Trading is completely crazy. Why? What makes you say that? Alright, wait. Alright, we're active. Are you drawing it from like Tokyo high to Tokyo low? Or vice versa? Oh fuck, that's not the right one. That'd be sick if that plays out. Oh, it is as well, isn't it? Yeah, fair. From the wicks or no? From the bodies? From high to low? From high to low? What I did. Oh, fuck this. You can teach me later, bro. It's too long waiting for a reply. I'm not waiting for a reply, but you know what I mean? There's like a delay. Profits you can get on small positions if you learn to get into trades and predict the market. Yeah, I know, bro. Well, technically you're not predicting the market, but I get your point. In Jan, I used a one lot and caught a net of 10,000 pips. 10,000 pips. You got 10,000 pips in January. That's fucking crazy. Seems like a lot, to be honest. How much is... Bro, we caught like 200 pips. How are you catching, what, 500 times that? 50 times that or some shit? Yeah, you gotta give Eugene a tenner now. It's a lot I can provide proof. I'm not doubting you, bro. Like, I have no reason to, but it's a lot. Give me a tenner. Wait, someone asked a question. Wait, I missed it. If this 4-hour closes above 29.18, could it be buys on the flip? Yeah, maybe. If it closes above there, it's probably going to rip straight through, to be honest. Problem is now we've tapped into the level here we wanted to test, right? 29.18 was the level we wanted to test. But with that being said, most likely now if you close this bullish on the 1 hour, especially like it's engulfing on the previous, there's a likelihood we just continue through. So start to lock it in here, chat. We've got about 6 minutes. $10,000 pips is a $1,000 move, by the way. That means you caught like a $1 move 1,000 times, or like a $10 move 100 times. Yeah, it's possible. Very, very possible. I mean, yeah. Depends. What's good, Julian? How's it going, man? Yeah, we've got 6 minutes to the 4-hour close. So what I want to see realistically is this hourly close pretty much just like this. I need that's not a nice tap, but yeah. Chat, see the problem is now this could just be a liquidity grab for us to continue down, right? Like now you've done this essentially, you made a low, a low. Now you grab some liquidity and now you've rejected it. If you close here, that you could just do something like this, right? And continue back down. Who saw the lasagna? Yeah, Eugene. I'm not sure. Wouldn't this be a lower low? Yeah, it could be. Classic gold waves for the 5-minute window. I'm off the charts to spike up 40 pips and pull back before I'm gone. Bro, you can't be in a trade and get off the charts. You gotta be watching that shit, man. Hmm. 4 minutes. So the 5 minutes, did it flip? No, the 5 minutes, sorry, came down, closed bearish. Gonna have to drop off for the day, but we're waiting for those signals. See you, gents. All right, Jed, in a bit, bro. In a bit, man. XG Ban Eugene, he covers his lasagna and mayo. No. No. Please tell me no. That's crazy. That is actually out of order. Oh yeah, chat. Yesterday in the private stream in the Discord coaching group, right? Eugene told us his subway order. It is the fucking most ridiculous subway order I've ever seen. Ever. Ja, I don't have anything, bro. Oh wait, is it in? Yeah, okay. Yeah, fair. I'll check it in a bit. It's funny how the levels line up though. Like, basically the levels that you have on here are the same as the levels that we have. I just didn't put the 09 level here, but it's pretty much the same. And then the 18 level where your fib is. Funny how it like works out the exact same. I don't think I'll implement it, but it looks like it works really well for you. So, I mean, that's the main dub, right? I just like to keep my trading simple. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, not ideal. Begs to come back and sort you out. Eugene's got ops. Eugene actually has ops. Extra confidence. Yeah, no, that's fair. That's fair. So chat, look, the 15 didn't quite flip, but we did reject a little bit. You look like you want to continue back up. Chat, if you close right above here, might be a little bit chalked, but we do have room still towards the top of the range for a wick fill. To be fair, if you break this high, you're most likely going to continue through. Can't really take a wick entry though. One minute here, chat. Lock it in. Focus up. Hold mayo. Hold lasagna. Yeah, no way you ate that lasagna cold, bro. What is wrong with you? Hold peas. I don't know. I don't even know where to start with this guy, to be honest. Chat, look. Listen, drop a like if you haven't already. 1 minute to the closure here. I want to see exactly how we close here on this 5 minute and the obviously 4 hour closure. But we're going to look at every single time frame here. I don't think you... I mean, look, you did tap into the top of the level, which is a bit of a concern, but I don't think you're going to stop moving up here, to be honest. I really think we will continue through, especially with the way the hourly's closing. Like, if you remove this level here, the hourly is just essentially making a higher low right here to continue back through. So if we can get a decent closure, has to be strong bullish, but it is engulfing the previous candle, which is a very good sign. Very strong bullish confirmation. Got a dip. When you back Friday? Me? I'm going to be streaming London tomorrow, and then I'll be gone afterwards. Chat, we just opened up here though. You have a big wick fill as well. 30 pips. You want to see it make a bottom wick for the previous 15 as well. That'd be absolutely ideal.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change, the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not
Stops are a little bit large for me though, but we could potentially use current candle. Otherwise, could use previous 30 to be fair. How much is that? 24. That's not bad, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop on this candle flip right now. No wick entry for me. I need it to flip because I need the confirmation. I need the confirmation here. You could take a wick entry off the fact that we broke this 15 low. But now that we broke the low and we're starting to flip, if we flip here, you should see a continuation up. Stops are going to be below the previous 30, which is around 25 pips. So nothing major. DP is actually going to be the break of this next high. We obviously understand you have a big wick fill here as well. So, see what happens here, chat. The 5 minute wants to close no bottom wick. We could take a wick entry off of that, potentially. Otherwise, chat, that'll be it. Whoa, that's a fat rejection. Actually a ginormous rejection. I need to move my buy stop up a little bit. I don't want to get entered from spread. Ah, fuck, chat, I got slipped again. Alright, we got executed in that trade though. So let's see what happens here, chat. Can we push straight through? Break-even point is most likely going to be this level right here. That puts you at around, what? 12 pips, something like that. We got slipped a little bit though. But it is what it is, chat. It is what it is, unfortunately. Let me see a pop here. You should realistically fill this wick, to be honest. Let me put my stops and TP in though. Alright, can we tap into the break-even point? Yeah, chat, this is now going to be a risk-free trade. Closing half my position here at 10 pips. And W's. The rest is a runner. Congrats, congrats, congrats. How we do it every single day. Cannot complain about that. Now let's just see if we can actually survive this fucking runner. The 1 minute close no top wick is what I noticed as well. This is where you could okay, chat. Closing full there, 15 pips. Or 14, sorry. W trade, congratulations. Absolutely clean. That's what we do, man. Patience pays every single day. YouTube.com/trendlines. Congratulate yourselves. We stay patient. We caught the position. W's all round. Gosh. Yeah, man. Hey, pal. Or belief of bizzle or what? Chat. I swear to God, man. We do it every single day. Like, we've been fucking killing the game. I got slipped about 2 or 3 pips as well, but it's minor. We move. Let me add that to the record. Trades taken and the record as well. Gold buys 1 million pips. No, I'm joking. 14 pips. Yeah, I actually had 6 positions there, so it's actually 90 pips. I'm playing. Chat, that was our 70th win on stream though. Congrats, congrats, congrats. 70th dub on stream. Can't complain on that one. Make it 10k. Yeah, I had 1,500 positions there, so I just made 1 million pips.
I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside.
5 players. No top wick is crazy. Alright, chat, look. Pump it up is crazy. Yeah, chat, congratulations. Look, drop a like if you haven't already. No pip. People are pip and dipping already. It is what it is, man. Yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. Much appreciated nonetheless. You guys are killing it recently. Very, very clean. We love it, man. We absolutely love it. Alright, chat, look, that's going to be it from me. We'll play the GeoGuessr. What we came to do. We came, we saw, we conquered. Let me show you how you fill this trade in the journal. Yeah, I can do it. I can. Haven't journaled in a while, to be fair. I've been slacking on that side. Yeah, I got slipped like crazy on one of those positions. Fuck it. Must have been my copy trader. We move. Right, wait, let me get the journal over. Glad I managed to secure some profits from the sells and switch to buys. $100 a day keeps poverty away. It does indeed, man. It keeps the bailiffs away. Okay. When you place a trade, do you just spam buy, then close trade once in profits? Nah, bro. What do you mean? You took the wick entry? Congrats, Marcel. What do you mean spam buy? I have one position. It's a joke. I don't actually have multiple positions. Click buy once, and then when it gets to where I want to take profit, I take profit. Yeah, I haven't journaled the trade in ages. Let's bring this down here. We opened 50 0.01 lots. Yeah, exactly. What's the date today? 13th. I do 13 for the second. 25. Time. What time was that trade taken? 10 o'clock. Let's do 10:01. So then it's going to fill automatically. You can't see the side of this, but that bit doesn't really matter. Obviously we took a buy. Let me just put what I do in the 20k, so 6 lots. That was a, what was that? Let's see. I guess it's just a, yeah, we'll call it a, I need to change the names actually. Right. Cool. So that was then a Sky Dweller. Time frame was a 1 hour. Entry was the flip of the 1 hour. High time frame confluence was on the open of the 4 hour. Percentage gain last year? Bro, I have to check. Just give me a sec. I'm just doing this right now and then I'll answer you. Wait, where are we? Stop loss basis, sorry, was below the previous candle on the 30-minute, which was about a 25 pip stop loss. 30-minute time frame. B point was the, what was it? Minus support and resistance. Yeah. Did we go BE? Yeah, we did. And then trade idea was to fill the range. Liquidity grab was a bottom wick, which was about 20 pips. And then I closed half at 10, half at 15. So it's going to come out as, oh wait, no, shit. And then the rest was at 15. Reason, just securing profits, came out around 13 pips average. Exit time was 10:04 or something. Timing trade was, that's going to automatically fill in. Max drawdown, we saw 0 drawdown, literally 0. Exit opportunity, no. And then post, obviously you have to fill this in later after we see what it does. But yeah, chat, that's it. Yeah, 6 lots on a 20k. It's a challenge account, right? So it's just a flip account that I'm just testing out. So yeah, it's definitely a bit more aggressive, bro. But at the same time, you can kind of afford it, if that makes sense. I wouldn't recommend 6 lots on a normal 20k account. Yeah, it's definitely. I mean, to be fair, the risk is like maximum 8% on that account, but still. Yeah, chat. But look, that's gonna be it from me. Percentage gain last year. I don't actually need to work it out. I know for a fact that this last month we did 17.7%. This month we're already up around 12%. 6 lots. That's just on the 20k account, bro. I have a bigger account that we pop like decent lots on, but obviously I'm just doing a 20k little challenge video. And speaking of chat, I can update you on that if you want. Actually, we'll do it another day. What was I going to show you? Oh yeah, my percentage gain last year. Statistics. Where is it? I actually don't have percentage gain on here. How do I not have that? I don't know, bro. I couldn't even give you an estimate, to be honest. It was relatively big, but I don't have it on here. I don't have the same account as well. I changed like brokerage, so I don't even have that account open. I'd say like we did at least like 50% last year. Probably a lot more, maybe 100%. Trying to work it out. 5 minute. Oh, that's a horrible close at the top of the range for the 5 minute. But yeah, chat, look. We're going to play the GeoGuessr right now, and then that's going to be me done, to be honest. That's going to be me done. So, chat, look. Congratulations. Yeah, this year, percentage-wise, we have it on track a little bit more. So, like, I did 18% in January. We're about 12% up. December, we did 24%. I know that for a fact. I don't know what we did in November, to be honest, but there you go. Yeah, big dubs, chat. Drop a like if you haven't already. If you are going to dip before the game, then fair enough, but just make sure you leave a like on your way out. If you're in the Signals group, I'll see you for the New York session very shortly. Otherwise, for the people who are not going to be here, peace out. See you tomorrow morning. Much love. And yeah, let's play the game. Then we'll dip. 70 wins on stream, chat. 70 wins on stream. 70 wins, 21 break-evens, 10 losses. Fucking crazy, chat. That's oh shit, that's over 100 trades now on stream. 101 trades on stream, 70 wins, 21 break-evens, so it's a 91% win rate. Not bad. We take them. 91% win rate on stream is not a bad go at it. Chat, you got 10 seconds to join, otherwise I'm going to start the game up. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Off to the gym. Alright, Danny, in a bit, bro. Check you up for NY. No worries, bro. Have a good session. This guy says Peru in the chat as he's leaving. Yeah. I think it is. Is there... It literally said Peru on the big sign on the wall. It literally said Peru. Not happy with that one. Question is this France or Canada? I think it might be the second. Which one's the... Yeah. That's where it was, Montreal. Fuck, I got Toronto and Montreal mixed up. That's the French one, right? W's. Oh, Julian, bro. I'm gonna have to take over here. Looks very... Oh, I know where this is. I know where this is. One of these. Yeah, man. Close enough. How are you always just a little bit closer than me? That is done out. 2,000. Oh no, you're 1,000 points ahead. Right, I'm coming back here. This is the greatest comeback of all time. Yeah, I've got no clue where this is. Absolutely zero clue. I think it's probably... I'm sick, it's somewhere out here. I think it's one of these, like... Oh, maybe... Fuck, I don't know. Nowhere near... Yeah, I had the right idea, though. Northern Mariana Islands. Crazy. No points. Nil point. That's crazy. How's anyone meant to guess that? Yeah. That's got to be here, no? Somewhere like that. Or like one of these countries. Fuck yeah, I was right. Are we always a little bit closer? Oh, chat, I took it in the last second. I took it in the last second, Julian, bro. That's crazy. Alright, look. Congratulations. Well, for me, I guess. Julian came second. That was a good game, to be fair. Noodleholtz third. Chat, took a dub on stream. Then we decided to take a dub on the GeoGuess. So listen, congratulations to you all who took that. Why are you called SG, by the way? My name's Sam Jokes. I'm sure you can figure out the rest. But yeah, look. Have a great rest of your day, chat. Appreciate you all very, very much. Peace out. Much love. See you guys in the New York stream if you're in the Signals group. Otherwise, peace, man. Bye-bye.